Korea's Supreme Court has upheld a 9-year prison term and a 7-year ban on serving in parliament for Lee Seok-ki. He's the first sitting lawmaker to be convicted of treason since the 1980s. The former leftist lawmaker was found guilty of plotting to overthrow the South Korean government in the event of a war with North Korea. Our Ji Myung-kil has the story.
At the close of a 17-month trial, former Unified Progressive Party member Lee Seok-ki was found guilty of instigating a rebellion among members of a secretive pro-North Korea group called the Revolutionary Organization.
Defendant Lee Seok-ki is found to be guilty of instigating a rebellion among members of a shadowy pro-North Korea group. However, he is acquitted of charges of sedition against the government due to a lack of evidence.
Prosecutors alleged that Lee had discussed plans to blow up major facilities in South Korea last year, such as communication lines and railways, with 130 members of the underground group. The top court also found Lee guilty of sympathizing with North Korea, which is a violation of South Korea's national security law banning any anti-state activities. However, the court ruled that there was not enough evidence to prove that the revolutionary organization actually existed. The court said the evidence was solely based on the testimony of informants. Right after the ruling was issued, both the ruling's Haenuri Party and the main opposition New Politics Alliance for Democracy said they respected the court's decision. However, the ruling party said Lee should have been found guilty of both sedition and conspiracy, while the opposition party said the court's decision should have come before a ruling last year that disbanded the Unified Progressive Party. Lee was a member of the UPP, which was indicted on charges of conspiring with members of the Revolutionary Organization. All 5 of the party's lawmakers, including Lee, lost their parliamentary seats last December when the party was dissolved. Ji Myung-kil, Arirang News.